Hey, today I want to show you how to design a wireless light. It means that we don't have to run a wire between light and its switch. It's useful in case that we have to remodel our house and don't want to break all drywall or stuff to run a wire connecting between the switch and light. Here is the entire circuit diagram. You can see that this is a switch we call a three-way switch, and we can use the switch, and then this a ATTINY85 just like microcontroller, and this one is the RF transmitter module, and the model name is FS1000A, and this one is a receiver RXB6, and another ATTINY85 like RX receiver. This one is a relay, and this one is the light. Okay, let me show you how it works. It is switch, and we can switch it to the ground. Its signal is to go to the ground, and this is a low. And when the ATTINY85 receive a low, and then they start to send out the signal, and we have two signal here. We call the on signal and off signal. Belong to the input. If we assign this one for on signal and with this one for off signal, and when this one go to the ground, and the wireless module FS1000A will transmit on signal, and when this light is go to the ground or low, and then the IF module will send the off signal. And when the receiver receives the signal, and it will give the digital low or high. When it's the receiver receives the on signal, and we can assign for the ATTINY85 to output a high level. And if when it's received the off signal, and we send out the low, and when it's high, it engage the relay and turn on the light. And when it receives the off signal, and the relay is off and the light off. That's it for the circuit. And here is the real circuit. This is the switch, three-way switch. And here is a ATTINY85. This one is FS1000A. This one for transmitter. And this side for receiver. And this one is the ATTINY85. And this is the RXB6 receiver. And this is a relay. And this is the light. So I can show you how it works. When we turn it on, the light will be on. You see? When you see the blue line means that transmit, and then this one receive, and the light's on. And when we turn it off, switch off, the light's off. Again, it's on, the light's on. It's off, the light's off. That's it. Thank you.